Assalamu alaikum. Hussein Babi here. Alhamdulillah, cooking for 800 special guests. Okay, when I say special guests, they are the homeless members, the needy members, which is chicken curry with potato, right? And so there are 800 people that we have to cook for. All right. So what I'm going to, Alhamdulillah, all the preparation work has completed now. Look. All the chicken has been cut into pieces, washed and cleaned. And here we have all the spices here. We have the turmeric powder, coriander powder, and cumin powder. And there is all tomatoes, cut onions, and all the potatoes. There are about 25 kilos of potatoes. We need to pour the oil. We are cooking now 50 kilo chicken. Okay, now the oil is getting warm, and I'm going to ask Kareem to stir it for me. Kareem, come on, please stir it for me. I'm going to pour the first thing goes the garlic and the ginger. Okay, stir it for me, please. The next one is the onions. Look, mashallah. Okay, Kareem, please stir, please stir. And then next one, another one. And okay, here we go. Look at that. Now, by the way, why we use red onion? Because it gives a flavor and aroma better than the yellow or the golden onion. That's why I use all the time. I like to use the red onion. Okay, beautiful. We have to keep on stirring until the onion become light brown. All right. Here, look. Come, cameraman. Come have a look. Come closer. Come. Here, look. Come here. Yeah. All right. I like to sprinkle a bit of turmeric powder or yellow powder. Just. Wow, mashallah. Come and have a look. It's changing brown. Okay, now it's brown. Light brown. Here is cooking. Now I'm putting in the chicken. Yes. All right. I just spread it out. I don't mix it. I spread it out. Okay, one more please. One more. What we do, we're going to do 2 layers, so we just put half of the tomatoes here. All right, that's good. Leave it that. Okay, we have the coriander here now. Okay, 1 layer, and then the cumin. Yeah. All right. Okay, then goes another layer. All right, because we are cooking 50 kilos of chicken, boneless chicken, right? And then. Yeah, now already 30 kilos of chicken have gone in. 30 kilos of chicken has gone in. All right, just keep it like this. Okay, bring the other now. Come on. Okay. All right, now spread it out. Again, we're going to put another layer of tomatoes. Yeah. Okay. Another layer of coriander and turmeric. Yeah, cumin and all that. You see, I can't put too much spices. I used to put cardamom, cloves, because you know the people who are going to eat are not very familiar with all these spices. So, so be very, very careful. Okay, good, done. Okay, now what we do? We mix. Not too much. We smith. All right. Now we put the salt at the last minute. We don't put the salt now. Okay, so that's what it is. So we want it to cook on its own. Okay, come and have a look. Come, take it a close up. Look. You have to really stir it now, and then leave it to. All right, now I've stirred it.
We'll leave it to cook on its own for the next 15 to 20 minutes. After that, we'll add the potatoes. The chicken has been cooking for a while now. Now I'm going to add the potato on the top and let it cook on its own. All right, here we go. Oops. Oh, oh. Look at that. Look at that. Come, look. How it's cooking. Look. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. Okay, now we'll put it, just spread it around. Come this way. Jamil, bring. Just put it now. Just put it. Yeah. Bring the other one too. We're not mixing it. We're just putting on the top. Let the steam cook the potatoes. Yes. Go further, please. So what I do? Yeah. Just put it. Spread out. All right. Just spread it out. That's it. We don't mix it. Just put on the top layer. Yeah. Just layer and leave it as it is and let it cook on its own. All right. Karim, can you open it, please? Oh my goodness! Come and have a look. Look at that. All right. Now we have to stir it. Come on. Beautiful. Now is to add the salt at the last, right? So what we do is, Karim, can you pour the salt while I'm stirring?
Yeah.
Okay,
sure.
thank you. All right, so I'm going to taste it now. Look, come and have a look. It's almost all cooked. Now I'm going to taste it. It's pretty hot. Oh, really good. The only thing I didn't put chili. I know they can't eat chili, but I'll let chili for myself. Really tastes good. Okay, now we are ready to pack now. All right. Okay, Bismillah Rahman Rahim. All right. Alhamdulillah, all the containers has been filled now. Look.